One night, observatories around the world detect violent ripples moving through space itself. Within hours, astronomers uncover the terrifying truth. Two supermassive black holes are spiraling toward collision near the edge of the Milky Way. Each black hole contains the mass of millions of suns. As they orbit each other faster and faster, they begin releasing enormous gravitational waves powerful enough to disturb nearby regions of the galaxy. At first, life on Earth seems completely normal. But scientists notice deep space instruments drifting out of alignment while pulsars once used as perfect cosmic clocks suddenly behave unpredictably. Astronomers quickly realize this is no distant event. The merger is happening close enough to threaten parts of the Milky Way itself. As the black holes spiral inward, nearby stars begin losing their orbits. Entire solar systems are thrown into deep space like debris from a cosmic explosion. Enormous clouds of gas and dust heat to billions of degrees around the collision zone. Radiation erupts outward in gigantic jets brighter than entire galaxies. Then scientists discover the worst possibility. One of those radiation jets may intersect directly with Earth. Governments immediately declare global emergencies as fear spreads across the planet. Satellites begin malfunctioning under rising cosmic radiation, while communication systems flicker unpredictably. GPS networks fail worldwide, disrupting transportation, military systems, and global trade within hours. The night sky slowly changes as nearby stars appear slightly distorted by gravitational disturbances spreading through the galaxy. Humanity realizes the Milky Way is far more violent than anyone imagined. Then the radiation wave finally reaches Earth. High-energy particles slam into the atmosphere with terrifying force. Satellites die instantly across orbit, while massive geomagnetic storms overload power grids around the world. Entire cities lose electricity within minutes. Aircraft are grounded, internet systems collapse, and financial markets freeze as communication between nations begins failing. But the atmosphere suffers the worst damage. Intense radiation weakens Earth's ozone layer, exposing the surface to dangerous ultraviolet light and cosmic particles. Within weeks, crops begin failing across multiple continents. Food shortages spread rapidly while governments struggle to contain growing panic and mass migration. Meanwhile, astronomers observe strange activity near Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. The enormous merger may be disturbing the galaxy's gravitational balance itself. For the first time, humanity fully understands the terrifying reality of the universe. Galaxies are not peaceful collections of stars, they are unstable gravitational systems shaped by collisions and destruction. Then the two supermassive black holes finally collide. In a single moment, they release more energy than billions of stars combined. A colossal gravitational wave tears across the galaxy, while nearby star systems are ripped apart or launched into intergalactic darkness. On Earth, instruments around the world shake as space-time itself briefly distorts. Far closer to the merger, entire regions of space become chaotic fields of radiation and debris. When the collision ends, a new and even larger black hole remains behind. Around it, the surrounding galaxy glows with leftover radiation from one of the most violent events in the universe. Earth survives, but civilization is permanently changed. Climate instability, damaged infrastructure, and global economic collapse leave humanity struggling to recover for generations. The most terrifying part is that events like this are not impossible. Across the universe, galaxies are constantly colliding, and somewhere out there, another pair of supermassive black holes may already be spiraling toward each other right now. The Milky Way feels calm only because human lifetimes are short. In reality, the universe is violent, unstable, and constantly evolving on scales almost impossible to imagine. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.